Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews with Moose. So recently, my wife was complaining about the way and the shape that my wallet looked. She said I needed to purchase a new wallet. And with me being me, I didn't want to get like a normal leather wallet. I had like a Timberland wallet, leather wallet. I had a Guess leather wallet. And, those tend to just break down. I mean, Timberland probably lasts me about a couple of years. But the Guess one I had before that only lasted like 6 months till it started like ripping. And they were legit. I mean, they weren't from Temu or anything like that. They were definitely legit. And I had a Coach one too. And the Coach one was that was really disappointing. The Coach one didn't last long at all. So with that being said, my wife has said I should really look to get a new wallet. So I went to the Real Irish website, and they had some wallets on there. And I was really intrigued by one of those. And I went ahead and gave them a shot. Now, this Real Irish company, they are based out of Ann Arbor, Michigan, which is 5 minutes from my hometown, Belleville, Michigan. So let's go ahead and get it open here. Yeah. They use the good tape, not the Dollar Tree tape. They use the good tape. All right. And come on. And man, oh man, they really... Wow. Don't worry about this getting opened up on the accident by the post office. So let's go and see what else all in this box here before I get to the wallet. And it says, oh, they actually do Real Irish Travel as well. Their travel agency. Look at this. Huh. Learn something new every day. So, and of course we got the wallet. Now this wallet was $34, which is not very expensive to me, but I liked it. And most of you guys know I'm a big fan of Harris Tweed. And this wallet just happens to be Harris Tweed. So let's go ahead and open it up. Yeah, 100%. I can already tell it's 100% wool. Yep. 100% pure wool. This is a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be, but I like it. And it is the hand-woven cloth, Harris Tweed, outer Brides of Scotland, 100% pure wool, by Glen Appin of Scotland. Hopefully I'm not butchering that right, but East Kilbride. It must be somewhere over in Scotland then. And let's go ahead and show you a close-up of it real quick. So here's a close-up of the wallet. This is again, it says the Glen Appin. Glen Appin and Harris Tweed, 100% wool. Digging the wallet here. Gotta love the color on that. Yeah, I like that. Let's see what I mean. This is. I don't really carry too many credit cards. I wish I had one for like your ID in there. The ID thing. Oh, it's got the double billfold for your big bills and little bills. I do like that. But yeah, that is it here. All right. So I'm going to have to empty out the old wallet, put the stuff in here. All right. So again, this is the Glen Appin Harris Tweed 100% wool wallet. I like it. I really do like it. And like I said, it's got all the billfold in here. 100% Glen Appin of Scotland. It's got the little little pack in there. Yeah, the only thing I wish it had was like the little clear thing to have your ID show. And also like a concealed weapons permit, but it doesn't. So I might just take the one out of my old wallet and put it in here just so it matches. But you can get this at realirish.com. It's again the Harris Tweed 100% wool by Glen Appin. Let me know what you guys think of this wallet, and if you guys would sport something like this. It is a little bit bigger though, but I like it. All right, everybody, again, this is Reviews and Moves. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit up realirish.com for the Glen Appin wallet, Harris Tweed. See you guys next time, and thanks for tuning in.